Hello coffee people, welcome to my Coffee Dude YouTube channel. Today I am going to unbox WELHOME ZD16 coffee grinder, which is a chronicle coffee grinder, and this cost me around 250 US dollars. Here you can find invoices and instruction manual on English and Chinese, I guess. Yeah. So this is more of a middle range coffee grinder suitable for home use. This is, I guess, the preparation mat, which is also can use as tamping bag, and this is the lid of the bean hopper. uh, it's kind of a matte finished, so I guess it's resistant to fingerprint as well. Actually, these items have good build quality. And this is the grind coffee container. Also, inside that, I think they have like the cleaning brush and handle locators. Yeah. So then I think this is the lid of this container. Okay, and we have the bean hopper, which is the capacity of 350 gram. It also contain shutter release mechanism. Okay, now it's time to get the machine out. It's really heavy actually. uh, yeah, let me, so I'm filming with a single hand. Let me skip this and get back to you with the assembled product. Okay guys, now I have fully assembled the grinder and put some beans in it. In here we have operation switch, which is on, off and auto. Switch on to grind continuously, so to the storage container, and off to stop the grinder, and auto for grinding directly into the group hand. Let me remove the this tray and show you guys the build quality. I would say this machine is really good in build quality, and the tray is like die cast metal, also with rubber pads, which ensures the stability and prevents slipping on the bench. So and these three buttons are used to quickly grind 1 or 2 cups of coffees. And so we have this shutter release mechanism for easily removal and preventing accidental spills. It also allows us the ability to transfer any unused beans to an ideal storage unit to preserve freshness. Also this, as you can see, this is really solid metal. Also we have this adjustment collar, which has wide range of like 40 grinding settings. I think I have covered the unboxing part of the grinder, and I'm looking forward to work with this machine and share my experience with you guys. Stay tuned with Coffee Dude and have a nice day.